Google is set to launch the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro on October 4, and through a huge series of leaks, we've seen a ton of information come out. Now, we've learned the US price for the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, and it's going up a bit. Since the Tensor reboot with Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro, a huge part of the equation for selling the Pixel flagship series has been on pure value. Google's flagship phones have come in at hundreds of dollars less than comparable hardware. For instance, the Pixel 7 available for sale today retails for $599, a full $200 less than the comparable Samsung Galaxy S23. Pixel 7 Pro, meanwhile, retails for $899, which is $300 less than the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And largely, those price differences have been a big part of what has been Pixel so attractive despite shortcomings in tensor and signal performance. Through a retail source, 9to5 Google can report that Pixel 8 will cost $699 while Pixel 8 Pro will cost $999, a $100 increase across the board. Both devices will launch in retail stores on October 12, and Google has already confirmed that pre-orders will open on October 4. A price increase was also noted in leaked pricing from European markets. Notably, this comes after the Pixel 7 also saw a $50 increase in price to $499. As our Max Weinbach explained at the time, that price increase came as Google's mid-range device brought a big camera upgrade, a 90Hz display, and wireless charging. As for Pixel 8, the hardware upgrades incoming are a bit muddier. The main camera sensor on both Pixel 8 devices may not be changing, though other camera upgrades appear to be in store, such as autofocus on the selfie camera and on the Pixel 8's ultrawide sensor. Tensor G3 is also reported to be a considerable upgrade in terms of modernizing the hardware, and, as we previously reported, Google is planning to lengthen the lifespan of these devices, which does come at a considerable long-term cost. The big question mark surrounds storage. Many devices, such as Samsung's 2023 flagships and the recent iPhone 15 Pro Max, have moved to starting at 256 gigabytes for their base model. The Pixel 8 series, though, will apparently still offer a 128 gigabytes model. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.